Are you starting to grow a bit of a creative audience online? And you're thinking about launching a course, getting sponsors for a podcast, or just monetizing your creative audience in general, but you don't even know where to start? And are you worried about becoming a sellout? I've seen way too many content creators online kill their engagement by plugging their products here, there, and everywhere. Hey, I'm Ryan Hayward. You probably know me as the founder of Pitchproof and also the host and creator of the Front Row Virtual Conference. Over the past couple of years, I've built up 2 large communities in the creative space, and I've worked with brands like Adobe, Wacom, and Design Cuts to monetize my audience, where I've added tens of thousands of dollars to my annual income. I've also created a number of virtual events where I've hosted over 10,000 attendees, as well as being able to convert hundreds of people from my own audience to customers. When I made the process of monetizing my audience, I failed and made a lot of mistakes. But my failures have created lessons, and a lesson learned should be a lesson taught. In this 6-week bootcamp, I'll share my foundational framework to monetizing a creative audience online, and I'll be teaching you personally. And here's the great thing, you can start monetizing your audience with as little as 100 followers. All you need to know is how. Inside this bootcamp, we will hold weekly classes covering topics such as selling sponsorships at any sized audience, how to sell digital products like courses and coaching groups, setting up affiliate partnerships that will actually work for your audience, selling to your audience using Instagram, LinkedIn, and mailing lists, and so much more highly actionable content that will make this bootcamp truly a return on investment. So if you're ready to learn in 6 weeks how to act serious about running a creative community online and want to get to know other creators in the same position as you, this virtual bootcamp is designed specifically for you. That's it from me. I'll see ya on the other side.